Hello everyone and welcome to another video of Web3. So I'm just still searching for Web3 applications. We had two another videos about the Yescoin and Vcoin. So in Yescoin I said that we have two. Oh, sorry, this is Bitcoin. In this Web3 Yescoin, I said this is the real one, and there is another one, Yescoin, that is not probably working. But something's happened, and it was really amazing about it. I found something amazing that this Yescoin actually it's doing something. So it's been followed by Yescoin. Actually, I said it in Yescoin video, and it's on phase 2. Phase 2 is coming, what they say. And Twitter actually is verified. I think it's verified plus, and they say this Yescoin is something like that, not going that released. So I checked the Twitter, it's about 1.6 million of followers, and it's been followed by Yescoin, and application had some announcements that was new. So I searched a lot. It's probably something, and I think it's gonna be launched on Tone, because there wasn't any valid here in this robot. So let's see what we have here. This is the Yescoin robot. So let's see here its announcement that there wasn't 31 days, 10 hours and 43 minutes. There wasn't before, so or probably it's new. So it's 11 millions, and there is not something special here, just tapping. So I don't have enough battery to tap now, but there is no any valid connection or something else. Maybe they're gonna launch it on day that they pronounced, and it's, I think, something that it can be good for try. But I say again, don't trust any of these Web3s, because a lot of them has been done and didn't pay anything, and a lot of them has been faked. So I checked the Twitter. It's literally same as Yescoin. Yescoin have 2 millions, and this is 1.6 millions of followers, and Yescoin have been followed this one. So we have two Yescoin. I made a video about this one, but this Yescoin actually it's some kind of different, and for few weeks there wasn't any actually movement on Twitter or their application, but they're doing it. They started doing it. So let's see the application. 11 millions of tones. It's like clickable, and nothing really special about this, and there is no any type of payments or purchase here. You can invite your friend and get reward, and you can boost it like multi-touch, and you can create tap bots for 1 million. Oh, actually it's too much. 1 million of their coins, not pay something or pay gas fee. And you have earn section here. I completed some of them, and there are a lot of them here. I didn't complete all of them because I didn't announce that it's really working, but it's it says probably something, maybe probably something. I'm saying again, don't trust any of these Web3s. Just do it as a hobby. Maybe you earn some money with this Web3s, but this one didn't work about I think 1 or 2 months, but this is still working. And many saying robots with this Yescoin system have been launched. Exactly same design, same system, but they're all of them were fake. Maybe the subline was for that. And the Twitter, let's see the bio here, Black Paper LLC, and they have address here. I don't know what is that, but maybe it's probably something. I just wanted to show this one. I searched about it, so they announced that it's gonna be launched, and let's see again. There wasn't here 31 days. Maybe it's gonna be launched, probably, as they say. But I'm saying again, don't trust any of them. Just look them as a hobby, not as a real thing. This Web3s doesn't let you pay anything. You don't need to pay gas for transfer for now, but maybe in future you will pay gas fee, or I don't know, you maybe purchase some token to transfer your Yescoin. And this one is probably something new. I knew for this week's actually, but it's been launched and they're announcing, and is verified plus on Twitter, and it's been followed by Yescoin and probably about 1.6 millions of followers. That is huge, and I think it's a good Web3 game that you can try, because you don't need to pay anything about it, just for now. Maybe in future. I'll put the description and link of Twitter and anything on video description, even the link of the bot on Telegram. And you press the earn, you can watch the ads, beta testing, open accounts at BingX. Maybe they're gonna do it on BingX. They're gonna release their token on BingX, because they're paying 490,000 of tokens by verified accounts on BingX. And I don't know, claim free seed, Jones Seed Telegram channel, follow and other channels, and a lot of things. You can earn it easily. You don't need to pay anything. And sometimes BingX accounts give you some rewards actually on this one when you join by some links. So try this robot. I don't know what's gonna happen at the end of launch, but it doesn't let you pay any gas fee, or you don't need to pay anything. You just need to tap and do the tasks for now, maybe, but it's something like Notcoin. Actually, the system is the beginning of the Notcoin. It's on phase 2. Actually, phase 2 is coming. Maybe they're system. Gonna change it to something like not coin, and something that it's not, and this one is same as Yescoin. Let me close it. This bot is not verified on Telegram again, and I think it's not important, but it has verified account because it's an organization actually. Maybe they're release the token on BingX and you can transfer it, but don't if announcement if any announcement shows an application, don't try to connect it to BingX first. Let's check what other options you will have. Maybe you can connect it to Trust Wallet, Tone, or anything else, because it's been followed by Yescoin. Maybe Trust Wallet support this one, but I'm saying again, you don't trust any of these robots. Just see it as a hobby and use your free time to play these games. And don't, I actually pay for some of them because I want to test them. I want to check is working or not, but don't try to pay anything of this. It's my opinion to do that, but it may be probably something, as they say, because it's verified as an organization, and it's some kind of verified plus on Twitter. They have a company, they have organization, and it's been followed by Yescoin, and it's been working again. 30 days until phase 2, I think. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I appreciate your comments. I'm trying to answer any comments that you're asking, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you so much again for watching this video.